What's up and welcome back everybody. Kevin here and we are back with another C# tutorial. We are going to create for loop. Let's start. First of all we write console.readKey. Don't forget about it. Here we start with 4 keywords and with 2 parentheses and 1 block, because for loop is a block code. And here we need 2 semicolon which make this parenthesis into a 3 part. In the first part we have to write our index and make our starting point, like int I equals 0. 0 is our starting point and I is our index. And the second part is our condition. As you know, loop is something similar to if condition. Instead of writing too many if conditions, we can write one loop like here. In the second part we have to write our condition if I less than 10, and in the loops we don't read our condition as an if. We read them as until I less than 10, do whatever we want to, whatever we write here. And here we add one counter to add 1 to our last number. And here we want to print I here, and this completely works without any issue. Let's start it just to see how it works. Here we go. Our starting point is obviously 0 and our ending point is number 9, because our condition was I less than 10. We can also do that if we want to include that with 10. One to 10, and we also can do this one to have a clear view. Let's start it. One, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. Here we also can change our starting point. We can start from 1, or we can start from 5 to 10. Let's start it just to see the difference. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I will do another and a better example in another video. Again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.